So the 10 super growth areas to focus on for any online business is basically connected to one thing, and that is a customer. Who is your customer and what is it that they are looking for? What support is it that they expect from you? What information is it that they want to find on their own? And what other different triggers is it that you can incorporate into the way that you communicate with your customer? Because you need to understand that online is a different area compared to offline or retail, or where you actually meet someone and can start a dialogue and build some sort of customer connection. Because online, people get distracted quite easily. So the attention span is really, really small compared to offline, where you can have quite a big attention span. So for you to be successful online, you need to understand who your customer is at first. Not who you attract to your store, but out of all these thousands of visitors to whatever type of online business it is that you're running, who out of those thousands of visitors actually become paying customers. But also think about your conversion goals, because converting a visitor to a paying customer is the end goal. But you can have many conversion goals that eventually lead to the final goal of building a successful customer relationship, where that customer relationship becomes a big part of the customer life cycle, and where you nourish that relationship over time.